healing properties of a cat's purr. In the medical field, may tinatawag silang vibration therapy which use vibrations para mag-improve ang well-being and enhance general health ng mga patients. Ayon sa mga pag-aaral, ang purr ng pusa have the same frequency sa sound na ginagamit nila for the vibration therapy and are thought to have similar effect. Ang purr ng pusa starts at 26 Hz, which is the same frequency that scientists use to regenerate damaged tissue in vibration therapy. Sa pag-aaral ng Fauna Communications Research Institute, sinasabing ang purr ng pusa has an average between 25 Hz and 140 Hz, and that the purr frequencies correspond to vibrational or electrical frequencies used in treatment for bone growth or fractures, pain, edema, muscle growth or strain, joint flexibility, dyspnea, and wounds. Dahil dito, pinaniwalaang ang purr ng pusa ay nakakatulong sa pag-heal ng bones, joint problems, and injuries to muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Nakakatulong din ito sa pag-heal ng infections, pain relief, and reduction of inflammation. And pinapaniwalaan din ng iba na cats can help their humans kapag sila ay may severe headaches and migraines. Though this is anecdotal, it is actually worth a try. So guys, in conclusion, I'd like to say na cats can offer a lot of things to us. Hindi lang sila companion, they are protectors laban sa mga mabangis na hayop na pwedeng pumasok sa ating tahanan, but they are healers too.